Starting, man. It's weird.
I'm trying to pick a fire ass up on the street.
You fucking monkey, yo. Gonna grab his beer. Grabbing your beer, by the way. I'm gonna Aren't you gonna jump out now? Huh? Nah, I don't pay attention to your jeans, really. See, if Marcus was here, he would climb this. It's cold as fuck. That's racist. You gonna jump off now? Jump off.
That's something right in my hands and shit.
Where? I don't see it.
It's not gonna be a jump, but it's gonna be like falling. Oh shit.
Actually, if you fall down to the ground, we'll get a lot of views. Quick, quick,
See how tight these fucking jeans are, Ken?
quick, Tony,
What?
break your head on the floor. We can get a lot of views. if you become crippled, we can get you a lot of views. We got 10 million views on the first day. Oh fuck! You fucking.
You hurt as much as talking to it.